Why does your scanner show the P0A25 engine code? What does it mean? P0A25 is a diagnostic trouble code for generator torque sensor circuit high. The P0A25 engine code indicates that the PCM detects a voltage signal from the generator torque sensor that is abnormally high, missing, or outside the expected plausible range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, loose or poor connections, malfunctioning generator, torque sensor, hybrid, transaxle assembly, failure, faulty control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.